Stocks making the biggest moves pre-market: Under Armour, Zillow, Expedia and others. Under Armour, the athletic apparel maker, reported an adjusted quarterly profit of 14 cents per share, doubling consensus estimates, with better-than-expected revenue. Under Armour saw strong demand for its athletic wear and was also helped by higher prices implemented to counter increased costs. However, Under Armour said its gross margins would fall by 200 basis points for the current quarter due to supply chain challenges, and the stock slid 2.6% in pre-market action. Newell Brands, the household products maker's stock, added 1.2% in pre-market trading after reporting better-than-expected profit and revenue. It also issued an upbeat profit forecast. The company behind brands like Mr. Coffee, Crock-Pot and Sunbeam earned an adjusted 42 cents per share for its latest quarter, 10 cents above estimates. Zillow posted an adjusted quarterly loss of 42 cents per share, compared with a projected loss of $1.07. The real estate website operator also reported better-than-expected revenue. Those results came despite an $881 million loss on its now-shuttered home flipping business. Zillow shares surged 13.2% in the pre-market. Expedia earned an adjusted $1.06 per share for its latest quarter, beating the 69-cent consensus estimate, though the travel services company's revenue was just shy of analyst forecasts. Expedia said the COVID-related impact on travel bookings was significant, but less severe and for a shorter duration than prior COVID waves. Expedia rallied 4.6% in pre-market trading. Aurora Cannabis reported better-than-expected cannabis sales during its latest quarter, the first time it's been able to exceed analyst estimates in more than a year. Aurora reported a quarterly loss of $59 million, substantially less than a year earlier. The stock slid 4.6% in pre-market action. Zendesk rejected a takeover bid of $127 to $132 per share from a group of private equity firms. The software development company said it would push ahead with its proposed acquisition of SurveyMonkey parent Momentive Global, MNTV, despite pressure from activist investor Jana Partners to abandon the deal. Zendesk rose 2.7% in the pre-market, while Momentive Global jumped 7.9%. Godaddy beat estimates by 11 cents with adjusted quarterly earnings of 52 cents per share and better-than-expected revenue. The cloud computing company also announced a $3 billion share repurchase program. Godaddy leaped 5.8% in the pre-market. Yelp more than doubled the 14-cent consensus estimate in reporting a quarterly profit of 30 cents per share. The online review site operator also reported better-than-expected revenue amid strength in its advertising business. Yelp jumped 4.5% in pre-market action. AFRM Holdings, the financial technology company, best known for its buy now pay later plans, tumbled 10.4% in the pre-market after plummeting 21.4% in Thursday trading. AFRM stock first plunged after the company inadvertently released its quarterly report earlier than intended. The pressure continued amid projections of higher transaction volume but lower than expected revenue. Cedar, the theme park operator's stock gained 2.8% in pre-market trading following a Bloomberg report that private equity firm Centerbridge Partners acquired a 5% stake. Cedar is currently in the process of reviewing a $3.4 billion takeover bid from SeaWorld Entertainment.